Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this HR management platform, which is Remote HR. Remote HR has solidified its position as a leading global HR management platform in 2025, particularly excelling in supporting distributed and international teams. The platform offers a comprehensive solution, including employers record, service contractor management, global payroll, benefit administration, and compliance handling. Its intuitive interface and seamless integration with tools like BAM HR, Gesto, XR, Greenhouse enhance its usability. Users have praised its user-friendly design, efficient onboarding process, and a responsive customer support, making it a preferred choice for companies expanding globally. However, remote HR is not without its challenges. Some users have reported issues with onboarding and offboarding processes, including errors in employees' information and invoice, which can take time to resolve. Additionally, while the platform offers a range of features, certain features functionalities may require additional cost, and the pricing can be a consideration for smaller businesses. Despite this drawback, remote HR boasts features, set and global compliance capabilities make it a strong contender for businesses seeking to range international workforce effectively.